gonna see these animals, they're gonna say hello, hi to us. Oh, hello guys. Do you know which animal am I? I just forgot my stuff also. Well, hey, we are an elephant. But we are some horse. Hey people, hey come here, back to our team. Oh, silly me, I didn't come back to you, our team. Oh yay, I just love these. Oh, where fish is back there? Well, we are scared of water. Rock. Stop stepping on me! Fine. As well, cheetahs are back there. Ooh, let's go to that place. Hey, cheetah. Okay, it's near us, but I don't want. Ooh. Hey, mommy, let's do something. Oh, hi. I'm stuck to this beach. Probably I'll just drink tea. That was just yummy. So let's see which countries. Camel. Oh, meow. Oh my god, an eagle! Butterfly! Let's see what's inside him. Oh, this is a design, I guess. Wow, UAE! See, UAE, national anthem of it. Ooh, what are these? A place. So awesome, yeah? Let's go. Now, bye-bye, guys. This is, and we also, let's see these also. Genie in the lamp. Give me some wishes right now. Probably. Hey, what's your wish? My wish is to never make a wish again. To never make a wish. But why did I even make a wish? Yeah, guys. That's so. Oh yeah. Can I pour some tea here? So let's see all these like silver down here. Zebra family, just listen up to me. Real not. Listen to me and you'll get a better chance every time. Fine. The up zebras can handle this. Fine. I fall down. Okay. I'm one of the family. Well, it's all green. So bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Probably we.
Hey, who is this behind the scene?
Look.
Oh,
It's me, guys.
This is Bisuza.
So yeah, I'm in the shop today. So I'm just looking at these
Masks?
masks that we just